In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your soundbar, your Onn Sound Bar, is not connecting to your Onn subwoofer. If you have issues with this, or maybe they disconnect and it's not really pleasant, let me show you how to fix this. So step number one is that we will go over here and we will disconnect them from the power source. In my case, I have connected them to my power bar, and I will disconnect the power bar, okay, and leave them at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, go ahead and plug them back. All right, now do not turn on your soundbar yet. We're gonna go on the back of the subwoofer, right over here. And we're gonna keep press this pair button. Keep it pressed until the light over there is blinking quickly. Okay, it's blinking quickly. I can release the pair button. So the sub is in pairing mode, and now we're gonna connect it manually to the soundbar. And to do this, you're gonna need the remote control of your Onn Sound Bar. So I have it right over here. First step, turn it on with the power button, and then keep press the settings button. Keep it pressed. Okay. And after you do this, usually after pressing for around 8 seconds, you can release and check the light on the back of the subwoofer, and it should be a solid orange, solid red light, which means that they have been paired manually. And if you were not able to connect them together, what you can do is to simply turn off the soundbar, okay, put it in standby mode, unplug the power cord of the subwoofer, wait until the light over here is not blinking anymore, and then connect back the sub. Wait, don't turn on the soundbar yet. I'm gonna put it back in pairing mode. Okay, it's in pairing mode, and now turn on the soundbar. And usually after doing this, let's take a look over here. Here we go. It stopped blinking because it has connected. Now it's important to note, according to the manual, that you should not have them too far apart, because if not, the soundbar will not be able to send the signal to the subwoofer. So maximum 6 meters away. I don't know how much it is in feet. I'll put on the display right now how much it is in feet. So yeah, these are not meant to be very far away for a super huge bedroom or living room. It's mostly for a medium-sized living room or a smaller one. If not, they will just keep disconnecting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.